Hello and welcome to our store. We have just installed our latest Android screen, Android 11 it has installed, and we have installed it in a Mercedes Benz C207, and you can see it's a big screen. The old one that will be removed and there will be a frame, and we have also installed reversing camera, the backup camera, and it works automatically as soon as you reverse. So you will see the picture from the reversing camera and you see those lines with the steering wheel. It will also work like that, and as soon as you go to front gear or parking, so it will take some time to go to the main menu. So this is the main menu, and all of your car's original features will be retained. You see the navigation maps, it will also be pre-installed. You don't need any internet to use this navigation map. You just click on it and it will work directly. It includes the GPS antenna as well. If you can see there at the corner, we have installed the GPS antenna, and the cable it's under the glove box, and inside the glove box we have installed the USB cable as well. It's also included, so you can play music, videos, and songs, everything through USB flash memory. You see it has the built-in 64 GB or 128 GB option as well, so you can copy videos, songs, etc. in the memory of the screen, and you can have some settings as well. If your car has original camera, that will also work. If you have your car has steering wheel control, the phone button, that will also work. And if you go to the Bluetooth, so you can connect all of your phones like Android phone, iPhone, you can connect through Bluetooth and play music or make calls. It will show you all the contact list as well from your phone to the head unit screen, so you can make call from here directly. You can have the original menu as well. As you can see, this is the car's original menu, so you can have it, and you can use, of course, the iDrive as well, if you can see that. The CD, the DVD, the original radio, everything will be retained, so you don't lose any feature actually. And when you go back to the Android screen, so you just click on the screen and it will take you back to the Android screen. You can also install applications same as on the mobile phone or iPad, etc. So you can download from Play Store. Here is the Play Store. It has built-in Wi-Fi, so you can connect internet to it and you can download applications and maps and whatever you want. You can download it. You can use YouTube, etc. You can change the dashboard as well. From the menu, you can have comfort, you can have eco. So these all options. I like the sports one. You can have mirror link, the phone mirror link, DVR, the front dash camera, and you can have the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, wireless Apple CarPlay actually, so you can use the mobile phones maps and phone and everything. So this iPhone has been connected to this screen, and you don't need to pick up your phone. You can use all of these apps. For example, this is the map, so you can use the iDrive as well, and you can use WhatsApp, messages, and like that, maps. Google Maps, if you have it on your phone, so you can use it. And you can play, of course, music as well. And if you want to go back to the Android screen, so you just click on it. So all of your features, original features, the car's original features will be retained, and you can use your radio, the same fiber optic if you have amplifier, all the speakers, everything, and you have these extra features in your car. And we have these screens for almost all of the Mercedes Benz and BMW and Audi. So if you have any question or comments, you can just write in the comment section, or you can click on the link below. You can go to our website, and there you have WhatsApp connect option. You can WhatsApp us, you can call us, you can email us. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye.